Today we're going to take a quick look at the new Honda Giorno Plus that was just announced overseas. And wait, before you click off this video thinking it's in another country, why do I care? Well, remember, a lot of Honda's models are released overseas before they spread to other corners around the world. For example, the Grom, Monkey, Super Cub, CT125, CL500, Transalp, and many more. Now, with that being said, let us begin. Honda just announced the new Giorno Plus in Thailand, and there's a possibility we could see this imported into other countries around the world. Why? Well, the current Giorno, also known as the Metropolitan, is packing a pretty anemic little 49cc engine that'll barely pull an average size adult to around the 35 mile per hour mark, and sales have been lackluster for this scooter for quite some time now. Don't get me wrong, a lot of people love the styling behind it, but the roads where you can utilize something that slow are few and far between, especially here in the USA. And let's just say the Navi that was released last year with a larger 110cc engine, while being $800 cheaper, isn't helping the Metropolitan's case. And that's where the new Giorno Plus comes in with its ESP Plus 4-valve 125cc engine that could really shake things up, as it'll do 60 plus miles per hour, and since it's Thai made, like many other models, it's not crazy expensive. Yes, we can't do a straight conversion as the world doesn't work that way, but if you compare some of the numbers with existing models from both countries, the Giorno Plus could come in around the $3,000-ish price point, which would make it around $1,000 cheaper than the PCX and ADV 160 models, and roughly $500 or so more dollars than the current Metropolitan. But what do you guys think though? Would you like to see something like this replace the Metropolitan, and would you pay $3,000 for it? Or are you tired of these smaller scooters and you want Honda to bring over some of their big boys with the Forza and ADV 350 models, or their fastest with the 750 lineup? Honda does pay attention to these videos, so let your voices be heard down in the comments section, and let's talk about it all, as these videos aren't just for me to ramble on. But on that note, thanks for watching, and a huge thank you again to our channel members and Patreons and everyone that uses those affiliate and support links below that help to keep this train chugging along, and we'll see you guys in the next one.